Cardano is working to bridge ADA to Bitcoin with TAP protocol. All right, well, look that up today. TAP protocol, Cardano, Bitcoin. You have the alpha. What up, Lion? I bought my last ADA yesterday. Won't buy more until 2028. Yeah. So, listen, I'm not. It sucks to watch your bags and everything go down, but like this is actually a really mild correction. And I don't think that we're gonna have these periods of these like 40%, even 80% drops. Like I don't see that stuff happening anymore, folks. I think we could kind of relax a little bit on that. But on the same token, we're also not going to get these big like 100x pumps either. So this is going to be a gradual ascent over time. Honestly, I think at the very least between now and 2030, and like 2031 might be like the first big bear market crash that we get once the bubble bursts on all the AI and all of the narratives and all of the bullshit. And then basically all of the shit. And then there's a washout where all of the trash tech, all of the gimmick garbage, all of the stuff that isn't actually serving a greater purpose in the overall direction that we are heading by that period are going to get washed out and go nowhere. And then the cream is going to rise to the top. And that's why I've always been primarily focused on layer ones, especially high quality academic peer reviewed layer ones, because I think that when you do what Cardano has done, it's not going anywhere. It's just a matter of time until it's adopted in a way that really accelerates its use and thus its demand for the token and all of that. So we're just going to have to let stuff play out. Listen, folks, enjoy your weekend. It's Friday. Be aware of like some sort of Friday trap. I don't know if we're going to know the Friday trap or if we already got it yesterday. Looking at things, I really don't know. Let me take one last quick look and see if there's anything. Wow, all these blood diamonds on a 15-minute. But we're already kind of past a lot of that. Yeah, I mean, we could have had our quote unquote Friday trap yesterday. I'll show you this real quick, and then we can go. I got to get rid of this comment here so that you can see. All right, so if we want to assume, and it makes sense here because, all right, this might be what happened. Hopefully we don't break this and go lower. Where's my box? And then after I'm done with this. All right, so if you see here, we had this red and blue vector candle, right? And we had this wick all the way down here, which is basically the low of the day. This would have potentially trapped traders, okay? And basically trapped them and before the price started to move up and start a recovery. And let me see, I want you to be able to see this box. There we go. All right. So these are basically all trap traders down to as low as 75 cents. And you can see once we did this, we came all the way back up to 78 cents, came all the way back down, retested this basically as support at the top of this area of interest, came back up, got a whole bunch of blood diamonds, red X's, everything saying we were going to crash, came all the way back down. Lo and behold, we had boom, boom. I mean, we hit this again twice before working our way back up. So this is very likely the weekend trap that basically we just range in this area here. And then hopefully, and this is a 15-minute chart, mind you. So we could come all the way back down here and then come back up, and we could range this way through the weekend. And then hopefully, potentially, we extend this out into Monday. So we got Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I mean, we got a long time just basically ranging up and down here. Like the IHOD here. I mean, we just basically range this through the weekend, and then, you know, hopefully we get a big breakout to the upside come Monday, because Monday is Monday the 1st. What is Monday? Hold on. Let me look at this. Okay. Oh no, we got some time. What are we? We're the 26th, so we got 4 days. All right. So hopefully maybe by next week. Anything can happen between now, but I would like to see us, if we could end September green, but I don't think we're going to end September green. I think we're probably going to end September red, or maybe like right on the cusp of that. And then hopefully start October, we start heading into the green and start really working our way up. I believe that we're going to break back above $1, hopefully into $2 range in October. November, I would love to see us break all-time high for Cardano in November. That'd be a great birthday for me. December, maybe we start making a new all-time high. And is that the peak? We're going to find out. So in any case, enjoy your weekend. Thanks for joining me, folks. Crow your coins, and I'll see you again soon.